shouldn't be, but...
All right, we are in the Boggs Building on Georgia Tech's campus. I got Joe here, and he is going to... No. There used to be an Otis Freight Elevator here. Here we are. This is the old Otis Elevator at the Boggs Building. Georgia Tech, Atlanta, Georgia. Ooh, there's a piece of tape over that one. Let's go to the basement. Look at this. Oh well. We'll ride it anyway if we got in here. What time is it?
Current time is 5:44 p.m.
Well, this used to be an Otis Freight, and now it's this. So it's been modernized, completely replaced. Let's listen to it. It's not a bad mod. I would have much rather seen the Otis Blackburn Freight than this thing. We gotta get over to Love quickly. I have a feeling they probably lock up at 6. Here's your buttons. Innovation. I can't believe they modernized the elevator. You were right, they did modernize it.
Yeah. They've been doing everything on campus over a while.
Oh well. We'll go check out the other one. It's at the other end of the hall.
Yeah.
There's the time right there. We're gonna ride. This elevator here has not been modernized. Go ahead and push the button.
I will.
Oh, they redid the cab, I think.
I don't know. Let's look at the button panel.
Buttons are original. It's a national elevator still. Let's listen to the motor. I believe this is hydro.
Everything should be hydro on this campus almost.
It's traction.
Oh.
And it's slow.
Just great, but so
Well, now I got a good before and after video. Here are the 3. Door closed button works. I like that. There's your phone. GAL Jet Plus older. That's flickering. They redid the cab. It used to be wood grain, and there's Joe over there in the corner. Looks nice. I mean, it looks all modern. Now watch the button go out. Got one more floor. Still on its original controller. It takes a little bit to level. And it will close up.
eventually.
There it goes. And that will be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.